this is audio test one. This is the internal mic. This is camera test one with the shotgun mic. This is on both sides of the mic. And the other side. All right, this is the next camera test with the SM58 mic. This is close to my face, and then it gets further away as the quality decreases, and then back close again. All right, this is the camera test with the Sennheiser mic. This is close up, then I move it further away from my mouth, and then closer again as the quality changes. Okay, this is the Sennheiser mic in input one. It should be coming out of the left side. And then this is SM58 coming out the right side. And this is me talking between the mics just to see what it looks like. All right, you guys can hear me, right? This is the camera test B. We're currently in the auditorium. I'm not sure if it's making more of an echo or how the audio's changed. Yep. All right. This is us recording technically under a blanket. So how does the audio change when I'm in here? Maybe it gets more dense, less dense, I don't know. And then back out. All right, this is the final camera test. We're outside. Maybe the wind will affect it. I don't know.